Welcome and thank you for joining us today. The title of my presentation is MES 2020 Transforming Manufacturing, Top Trends. So I'd like to talk about what some of the top trends that we're seeing in manufacturing, particularly in the MES technology. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world. My name is Janice Abel. I've been an analyst with ARC for over a decade, and prior to this I spent over 26 years in the process and hybrid industries. At ARC, I'm the lead analyst for MES and Operational Technologies, or Industrial Data Platforms. I've also been focused on other related markets like manufacturing intelligence, batch management, even the digital transformation, and other related industrial markets. I personally been involved in the MES market for most of my career. I also have an MBA and a master's degree in chemical engineering. And at ARC, we're always uncovering new and interesting things about people, processes, workplaces, and technologies, even for older technologies like MES, which is also known as Manufacturing Execution Systems, and MOM, or Manufacturing Operations Management Systems. And the market and the technology is changing, it's modernizing, and the market is growing. A global research firm with a focus on industrial automation, manufacturing, IT, and smart cities. We have senior people as analysts, and they have automation experience and a lot of expertise. We have a global presence across the world. We've been in business for over 30 years, and we have clients who are both end users across industries and also technology suppliers. And our focus is industrial technology, but we are also very focused on the digital transformation in terms of the people, processes, technology, and other things. And today I'd like to discuss the MES or MOM technology in terms of some of the trends that we're seeing. And yes, it's an older technology, but it has been modernized and updated with new open yet secure platforms and new applications with containers, edge, and cloud. First, let's start with the definition of MES. MES connects the automation systems and manufacturing data sources with the ERP, or the business system, and it also includes the process execution, the visualization, the dashboards, the information, the tracking, some of the reporting information. Energy management is often part of the MES and the quality information because it's all used to optimize the process. And today there are many different applications that are associated with MES, either embedded in the MES system or used as a tool with the MES system. MES is essentially software that enables the interoperability and connectivity between the shop floor and the business. It's the middle space that enables seamless integration between the IT and the OT, that enables the ability to monitor, manage, execute, and even optimize the process. It enables the ability to track and report. It enables the execution of events, trends, often includes quality management, energy management, and more. And it is an essential software for manufacturers today to remain competitive. I'd like to talk about what the drivers are that are increasing the growth for MES and what we're seeing. The number one trend, partly due to the digital transformation and partly due to the pandemic, is remote connected workers. And connected workers have really taken center stage as a top trend for MES. Connected workers enable visibility into their environment, and they include the digital dashboards that are part of the MES, and they're designed using human factors engineering today, so they're much better at being able to get the information, and they empower workers with real-time information, and it enables faster data-based decisions. The reality is that the digital transformation is no longer in the future, it's now. We believe that the future, post-COVID, will require more digitization, and we'll see all companies, even those who were not doing a lot in the past, become more digital. For example, those who are not in the cloud will be in the cloud in the near future, And for companies who thought that the digital transformation was years away, as the graphic says, then came COVID. Part of the reason for the demand for remote connected workers is that all companies really want to keep their workers safe, yet they also want business continuity. So in many cases, this requires the ability to work remotely. We saw a number of people converting workers from on-premise to remote. Some companies mentioned 20 to 30,000 people. And they did it very quickly. And they also want to have access to the information in the process. And that's where the MES's ability to operate remotely enables the workers to be able to work off-premise. And also the workers have access to the data and the applications that they can use to help optimize manufacturing while they're off-site. So what are other drivers that we're seeing, or trends that we're seeing for the MES MOM space? The number 2 trend would be the digital transformation, all that entails. And the digital transformation is about new business models that are enabled through technologies, people, processes, and things. And it's about Industry 4.0, smart factories, smart platforms, and modern MES solutions. So what would be the third driver for MES or MOM? The number 3 driver is new modern MES and MOM platforms. These are new, open, yet secure platforms that allow interoperability, and they're the nexus for smart manufacturing because they enable ease of connectivity, ease of use, interoperability, and collaboration. And in addition to the platforms and the technologies, people and culture and the workplace is also important. So you may ask, so what other drivers or what other trends are you seeing in MES and MOM? The use of cloud and edge. We're seeing MES solutions that exist in the cloud. However, the majority of applications are hybrid, where there's some cloud applications and data, but mostly the application is on-premise. And the discrete industries have adapted to the cloud a lot faster than the process industries, but all industries overall are starting to move into the cloud, even the hazardous industrial applications. We also believe that 5G will help to accelerate some of the movement to the cloud and edge. For edge, we're seeing mostly applications around data or very specific applications like analytics that are done on-premise or near the process, or that have to be done near the process. But the most popular application in the clouds in MES seem to be the recipe management, historical data, scheduling, and planning. And the next driver, next would be around data and analytics and getting those insights to problems or understanding process behavior better. The analytics we're seeing do include OE and SBC, but they're much more advanced today, and these tools are often embedded in the MES or they're used with the MES, and they may include machine learning or artificial intelligence. And these tools enable faster and better data-driven decisions, and they're often used across the enterprise. The analytics enable the ability to look across the enterprise and compare patterns in historical data to real-time data. And they're easy to use, easy to configure, deploy, update, and are secure. So what do you think the next driver is for MES and MOM? The sixth and final driver trend that I'd like to mention today is around the user experience and the manufacturing intelligence that is obtained from using MES. The visualization is the part of MES that leads to collaboration and a better understanding of the process and what's happening, and it can enable operational excellence. So in summary, these are just 6 of the trends we're seeing for MES. There are more trends and more reasons that customers are investing in MES solutions, and they change every year, so we update our research and we talk to clients and see what's going on, particularly this year, which a lot of the trends were around the digital transformation, but also some of the trends were around the pandemic. So the biggest trend really is the remote connected worker and also the adoption of the industrial digital transformation. And all of these have been drivers for MES, and new technologies are being integrated and even built into MES solutions. And the ability of MES to increase efficiency and reduce costs, as well as improve quality and get products to market faster, really justifies purchasing them today. It's really about producing high quality products faster and cheaper and reducing energy costs. And MES enables faster time to market, which also enables newer, more innovative products. So thank you for joining me today. These are just a few of the trends that I've seen and some of the sub-trends because MES is a key technology for manufacturing. Okay. And again, these are just a few of the trends we're seeing. If you'd like additional information, please contact us at www.arcweb.com. We are always interested in helping people, companies with questions, trends, and new technology. And we do have a number of reports and other research on MES in both the discrete and process markets, which we find are very different in terms of the technologies, the applications, and the suppliers. And we also have a supplier selection report as well that helps end users select the best technology for their application. So thank you again. Look forward to hearing from you.